But the greatest is love. Yeah. The greatest is love. Yeah. Dahitay iti kang runaan ko ba nga maitedyo iti asawa yun. So, kunada, iti panagasawa, at iti stages iti panagasawa. Siyempre, no, damdamo at sweet, no, di ba? Towas Junior, sweet. Dahito dyan ko natin the excitement of seeing yourself as special to one another. Aba. So, anda, yung stage na ko natin fighting stage. Pag-adalan, dahito eh. So, dahito ko natin yung constructive fighting. So that you will learn from each other. And the last stage, no, adati fighting, ada iti, after the rain, there is sunshine. So after that, ada iti ko natin joy stage. Share an experience of joy and sadness with your spouse.
Coriander, the things that we were, whatever makes you feel.
Thank you so much for coming. I can see your sacrifice in coming here, and manernervyos ak ngem makikita na kayo ket may ikat maragsakan ak unay. Salamat.
So salamat hinan presence you. Without your presence, hindi ko alam kung matutuloy ang kasal. So pinhuduman aran hitean opportunity nga mong pasalamat hi parents po, mama at daddy, salamat because your sacrifice bimunga, it's what I am today. So salamat idayo, it's all because of you. Then nan-in-laws po, thank you so much nga bukod lang hilakay u di si pupuso nga nun accept ehaon kundi in the first place ya dayo before ami mi kasar. So thank you so much iditaon amin. So after this, Father, lahat po pupunta doon sa sa Agoban for our celebration. Hipinangan. So lahat is invited po.
Tell me all the things you've done for love. All the things you've done for love. Oh, tight to keep from cold. Tell you all the things I've done for love. things I've done for love. Darling, let's go walking down your